What are jigs and fixtures? So what is jig, what is fixture? So what is the purpose of jig and fixture? So we are going to discuss. For many machining and assembly operation, general purpose work holding devices may not be sufficient. For some special products, if you are going to manufacture in a machine, so this work holding devices like vise or chuck is not sufficient to hold the component. In this instant, these special work holding requirements are generally satisfied the designing. So and building special purpose work holding devices known as jig and fixture. So these jig and fixtures are work holding devices for a special component in all the machines. Then what is jig, what is fixture? There is a difference between jig and fixture. For definition, locates and holds the workpiece and guide the cutting tool in true position of the work. So that is jig. So it used to hold the workpiece as well as guide the tool. But in fixture, only holds and position the work but doesn't guide the work or tool. So elements required for jigs: work locating element, tool guiding element, and work clamping element. So clamping, locating, and tool guide. But in fixture, work locating element, tool setting element, and work clamping element. So construction wise, if you see, jigs are lightweight and fixtures are heavy. And application wise, the jigs are used in drilling, reaming, tapping, counter boring, and counter sinking. In fixtures, milling, turning, grinding, and broaching. And special features of jigs is drill bushes used for tool guiding. But in fixtures, feeler gauges and setting blocks to adjust position of tool in relation to work. So these are the difference between jig and fixture. So this is a schematic diagram of jig and fixture. So jig is holding the workpiece as well as guide the tool to drill. But in case of fixtures, it holds the workpiece, it doesn't guide the tool. So that is a major difference in jig and fixtures. And the selection of jig and fixture: the main purpose of any work holding device is to position and hold a work in a precise location while the manufacturing process is being performed. So this is a function of jigs and fixture. And work holding devices, the basic elements are used in jigs and fixture, that is locating element and structural element. So the locating element allows the workpiece to be positioned correctly. So it locates the workpiece correctly on the machine table. And the structural element that can withstand the force applied during the machining process. It is a rigid support to the workpiece. It opposes the force applied during machining process. Then purpose and advantages of jigs and fixture. So it eliminate the effect of marking. So no need of marking and all. So jigs are used to hold the workpiece as well as guide the tool. So if you're going to drill in a particular position, so it guides the tool. It is avoids the marking of drilling positions. And workpiece and tools are relatively located at their exact position. So it is easily you can locate the position for drilling. And the third one is jigs and fixture maintain consistent quality. So you can continuously produce quality products, and you can produce mass production also. So in next one is low rejection due to less defective products. The rejection is very less. If you are marking each and every component, it will cause some defects. But in case of jigs, we can produce a continuous production, mass production with less defects. And it reduces the production lifetime, so increase production. So life continuously can produce products, it increases the production. The operating condition like speed, feed rate and depth of cut can be set to higher values due to rigidity of clamping of workpiece by jigs and fixture. So we can withstand the speed, feed, depth of cut by means of rigid support for the workpiece. The operator's working becomes comfortable as his effort is setting the workpiece can be eliminated. The setting of workpiece during the machining process, so it will be eliminated, so you can easily fix the component and you can easily do the process. As semi-skilled operators can be assigned the work, so no need of skilled operators required. So we need a semi-skilled or unskilled person also can do with help of jig and fixtures. There are no need to examine the quality, so no need of evaluate the quality of the products, so it continuously producing a quality products. So the important consideration while designing jig and fixture, so what are the important consideration while designing jig and fixture? Study the workpiece and finished component size and geometry. So workpiece you have to study and finished component size and geometry. So drawing interpretation is very much involved in designing jig and fixture. Type and capacity of the machine, it extends of automation. So capacity of the machine, so what are all the operation the machine can do, so what are all the tools it's available for the particular machine, what are all the work holding devices available, so that and all you have to study. Then provision of locating devices in a machine, the provision of locating devices in a machine, and available clamping arrangement in a machine, available indexing devices, their accuracy, evaluation of variability in the performance result of the machine, rigid and the machine tool under consideration, study of ejecting devices, safety devices, etc., required level of accuracy in the work and quality of to be produced. So these are the important consideration while designing the jig and fixture. The remaining topic we will discuss in the next class.